Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today we'll understand the concept of the terms that are used mostly in project: battery limit, ISBL and OSBL. Let's start with battery limit. Battery limit defines the boundary or scope of the project, what is included in project and what is not included in the project. You can see on screen there is one rectangle box which clearly shows the boundaries for customer and vendor. Whatever inside box is there, that will be provided by vendor. This thing consultant or client clarify with specification in tender document. It is starting from inlet nozzle to outlet nozzle or outlet flange. This complete package is called battery limit. It not only includes the main process but also the utilities or any other connection that is used to support the skid. If we are having more than one unit or more than one vendor involved in the plant, then we have to mention two different skid with scope clarification. Like in gas processing, there are two units provided by different vendor. One is a mine sweating unit. You can see on screen the skid or the battery limit with A, and one is dehydration. There are two different vendors and with different boundary limit. So vendor should be clear that from where they are starting and where they will end up. From that point in the vendor will start their scope, or sometime due to distance between two units there is one interface that we have to award a contract for integrating different unit in the plant to another local contractor. Second is ISBL. ISBL stands for inside battery limit. All process equipments, instrumentation and infrastructure that exist inside process unit battery limit is called ISBL. For example, I told you a mine sweetening unit. There's battery limit in which absorber, flush vessel, exchanger, pump and strippers and their instrumentation are involved to convert raw gas into sweet gas. So this complete process is called ISBL. This process and equipment instrumentation fall under ISBL. Only core process. Third one is OSBL. OSBL stands for outside battery limit. All facilities required to support the main process is fall under OSBL. For example, for a mine sweetening unit, we have to provide raw water, damming water, and lean amine for makeup, instrument air. For example, if we require cooling water, nitrogen, or any supporting facility that is required to run the process fall under OSBL. In plant you see all fire water network, instrument package, steam provision, nitrogen, cooling water system. These are the supporting facility for main process. They are not producing any product from raw material, but they are supporting main process to run smoothly. So all kind of supporting facilities fall under OSBL. I have summarized these terms in table for better understanding. As a process engineer, concept should be clear because it will impact the engineering decision like project scope and cost estimation, interface between client and customer. If more contractors are working on one plant, they should have clarity in their job to prevent from future conflicts. Thank you very much. please subscribe and share to support the channel.